Alright people, so right in front of us we have a Baja Hobby L-39. You can see that. This is a pretty beautiful jet, pretty big. You can see it's actually larger than me, so this is going to be exciting. But I have wanted to get my hands on one of these for a very long time, and now I finally have. So this is a used jet we acquired from someone, and by we I mean a friend of mine who I'm building this for, or rather a client. And what we're going to do with this is a lot. We're going to take apart all of the wiring, take apart all of the fuel plumbing, inspect that. We're also going to be doing some touch-ups. So all this green stuff, in here, we're going to apply a nice light coat of textured paint just so that it looks nicer. Everyone wants that sort of unique feel to their jet. And just get this bad boy in really good shape to fly. So I'm really excited. This is a beautiful jet I've always wanted one to play with, and now here it is. So please stick around as we go through the motions of getting this guy broken down, inspected, repaired, fixed, get a facelift, all of that stuff. So that's going to be happening right here on the channel. So I look forward to you guys joining me, and I look forward to hearing your compliments, comments, criticism as I build this. It's going to be fun, and see you on the next video.